Welcome to this video on how to start a business. Starting a business can be a challenging and exciting endeavor, but it requires careful planning and preparation. In this video, we will discuss the key steps you need to take to start a successful business. Step 1. Identify your business idea. The first step in starting a business is to identify your business idea. This could be a product you want to create or a service you want to offer. You need to research your target market and identify what problems your business can solve for your potential customers. Once you have a clear idea of your business, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Create a business plan. The next step is to create a business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines your business's goals, strategies, and financial projections. Your business plan should include information about your target market, competition, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. You can use your business plan to secure funding and investors. Step 3. Register your business. Once you have your business plan, it's time to register your business. Depending on your business structure, you may need to register your business with your state or local government. You also need to obtain any necessary licenses or permits required for your business. Step 4. Set up your business infrastructure. To run a successful business, you need to set up your business infrastructure. This includes setting up your business location, creating a website, and setting up your business systems and processes. You may also need to hire employees or contractors. Step 5. Launch your business. Once you have everything in place, it's time to launch your business. You need to start marketing your business, finding customers, and building your brand. It's important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion: starting a business can be challenging, but with careful planning and preparation, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Follow these key steps, and you'll be well on your way to starting a successful business. Thank you for watching.